All right, today we're at the Sac River and we're going for some striper. I'm going to show you guys how I rig up one of my go-to favorite setups for catching striper, and it works really good. It's easy to use, and one good thing about it, it's a Texas style, so you don't get much snags at all. Oh wow, look, there's some deer. There you go, you got the 5/0 worm hook. And then 4 ounces would be the smallest, and you go up to about half. All right guys, there's your worm. Texas style rig. Hide that hook. Just like that. All right, so I'm gonna cast this worm out. I like to about 45 it towards upstream. So right around there, and once it hits the water, just let it sink for a minute and start reeling it real slow with your tip pointed down. Just like that. Let her sink. Point your tip down. Just reel real slow. You want to get near that bottom. You want to attract the fish in the middle, and they'll start chasing it up near the bank, and that's when they feed. So most of your bites are going to be about 5 to 10 feet from the bank. Just real slow. Tip up a little bit when you start getting near the bank. Keep it steady reeling. Excuse me. All right guys, what I like to do is about 10 casts on the bank at one spot, and then after that 10 steps. So 10 casts and 10 steps. All right guys, there it is. First one, 17-incher on the worm. Right here guys. bad. All right, guys, Sac River stripers, here we go. All right, guys, right here, striper caught on the worm I'm telling you guys about. 30, I don't know, probably 33, 34, somewhere around there. Whatever it is, the beast. And there'll be more caught. That's a record right there, boys. That's a PB right there.
I told Julie we're going to catch him.